Hi class, welcome to the CS4 CS384 tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how do we read a CSV file. As we saw in the previous video, you know CSV file are plain text files, so they can be also read in a simple text reading format in Python. But we will see how the CSV module helps us to read it more efficiently. Right. So first we are importing the CSV module, and then I am just clearing the screen of my terminal. That's fine. We have already seen this. And now I am saying the usage of with command, which we have already seen. So with open, see I have a file called people.csv, right? So what I am saying here, I need to open the file people.csv in the read mode as file. And okay, let us see what is people.csv. So people.csv has three columns: name, country, and profession. You can see that they are comma separated. Of course, they are CSV files, so you have comma separated rows. Right? So we have three columns here and six rows, and this row is called the header row. Right? So back to the program. Then what happens? The CSV module. See what I'm writing in the next line. Reader is equal to CSV.reader. So basically, what happens? This reader is an object. Right? You will see classes and object later, but right now, for your convenience, assume like this is reading the entire file. I mean, this is not reading the file. Basically, this is pointing to this particular file now, right? So whenever you have a reader object, so what reader will do is like keep your cursor at this particular point and then read the file line by line. So by default, if you see the CSV module has a delimiter comma, right? It treats comma as a delimiter. We will see later how can we change that also. So I'm just showing you a print reader. So this will not show me the content of the file, right? This is just a pointer. And then what I do, I say for row in reader and I'm asking to print the row. Let us first see the output of this file and try to understand what is happening. Okay, first I say, okay, with open people.csv. So let us open the people.csv also here. So when you see people.csv, you know first column, first row is the header, the rest are the content. So when you read this particular file, first of all you initialize a pointer. So this pointer is initialized to the start of the file. Okay. So start of the file is this particular position. Row 1, column 1, first position. So what this reader basically will do, now it will process the file row wise. So it will keep on reading each and every row and then we are just printing the row. So you can see the output. The first row it reads name, country and profession. Just observe these two things, right? It is reading the CSV file line by line in the form of a list, right? So if you see the first line, name, country, profession, basically it has read the line with the delimiter, but enclosed it within the curly bracket, within square brackets. That is, now it's a list, and then you can do any processing over the list as you all have studied till now, right? Again, every row it processes into a list. Now since these are strings, the CSV module automatically determines that these are strings and makes them into single quotes, right? So we need not bother whether the content read is a string or a number. It will automatically adjust all the things, right? So this is how you just read. Since you are using the with module, you need not have to close the file. Okay. So now for example, if you are reading every row, now since the every row is a list, let me try one thing. Oh. So let us print the type of this. Print type of the row. Right, so you can see the type of the row is a list. Okay, so if you want to process the individual elements also, let us try this one for I in row, right? Because I for row is a list, so let us print the value of I. So basically what should happen ideally, this is the row, the complete row which is read in the form of a list, and then I am iterating over this one. So you can see this print row corresponds to this particular thing, reading the first line, then I am printing the type of the row which is a list. We already know because of the square brackets at the end, right? And then within every list I am processing individual elements. So this list has three elements: name, country, profession, right? So this is how you read and process the CSV file. I will close this tutorial right now because we will have shorter tutorials in the CSV mode. Thank you.